Oh hey there, step into the van. This is the tour of the Gallivantour. Right here we have our kitchenette. Crucial. Some good water flow there, but if you need to clean up the dog river, it's pretty effective for that too. Underneath it we have a really simple water setup because we're not running any hot water. We've got our cold water, this is the fresh one, and then this is going to be the dirty one over here. Running a shore flow pump, and beside it we've got our Dometic fridge freezer combo. Freezer up top there. Up top, microwave, convenient if you've got a meal you want to heat up, just zap up while you're on the road. And here's the real brains of the operation though. This is what's connected to our solar panels on the roof, and then our two 200 AGM deep cycle batteries down here, which is then also connected to our inverter too if we need additional power. And then off that we're running our DC system, which is controlling all of the lights you see above us, which we've connected up over here. Can't really appreciate how great this dimming system is in the daytime. But you can appreciate this little chair that rotates and gives us a little bit more space in the living room. Not too bad. Over here, another space-saving technique that we found was these things called jackknife beds. It's a bench bed combo. So we spin this around, pull these out. That doubles as an excellent bed option. And we've got our seat belts at the back there, especially good to keep the pup safe when on the road. Down this way. These windows were one of the first things we installed. Pretty terrifying cutting into a brand new van. We picked this window up from a salvage yard for about 30 bucks from the back of a pickup cab. You've got to try and save some money where you can. And then down here, this is a nice kind of table bed bench combo as well. So this actually comes down into this space. Right now it's on a lagoon mount, which allows it to kind of easily maneuver around. But if we put it down here, we bring these two couch cushions, put them in the middle, this becomes a full-size bed, about 6'2" between here, and then the width is actually the width of about a queen-size bed. So that's been kind of convenient. One of the hard parts was probably installing all of these cupboards, but as you can see above me, additional ventilation is crucial. So we even installed all these USB ports around in each of the corners so that we can hook up additional USB fans to sleep overnight, because it does get pretty hot here in Tennessee. But one of my favorite features of the van is up top. Let's go see what that's all about. Hey buddy. So we decided not to install a permanent ladder, just in case hooligans tried to get on top of the van at some point. But we installed a rooftop patio. Got our solar panels at the front here, 3 of those, and then down here you can fit about 6 people. Now because we are a touring band, it has to actually be fully functional to carry all of our gear in here as well. This has been designed to fit 2 acoustic guitars here. We can put another couple of guitars here, as well as guitar stands, microphones up top here. In fact, I think we still might even have a stand up here. Yep. And then you can fit your amps and cello down here, but if you need additional room when you're carrying a lot of merchandise too, we just designed it so that this part can come up too, and it can go all the way up. When we're touring, we just often don't take this back section of the bed. And as I mentioned before, we've got our little USB ports either side here, which is super convenient for charging your phone at night.